The date is the 24th of June 2021, and this is, you can press, this is Kalastajankuja Fiskagränden 10 staircase F here, and the last staircase to be filmed in this residential building. We have all 707 here, from A to G. Also, it's very easy code, we found it. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. Valmet Otis Series 1 fixtures. And this was built at the turn of the year 1991. And also built in early 1991. Turned 30 years old this year in 2021 with 7 floors, the same as in staircase C. The serial number is B1D0961 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. And several of these have 6 floors, while staircase A has only 4 floors. But for staircase A is amazing because there's a pizza menu there, so it's like a so-called pizza elevator in Matinkylä here in Espoo. Designates first region. I was in Finland. But technically this is as amazing as staircase A, because it's the tallest one.
Yeah.
And both of them have 7 floors.
Oh yeah.
No, somebody tried to burn the P, that's why maybe the light is broken.
Yeah.
Oh, it works.
Yeah. I think D is the best one.
Yeah, because of the smell.
Yeah.
And the sounds also.
Yeah.
And let's take a silent ride. Inspect, vaikka voi inspecta miten vaikka on. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's